DIY paper dolls at home. It's as easy as print, cut and glue. Get creative. First, we need to carefully cut out all the pieces. Just a reminder, make sure to use scissors under adult supervision. Take your time to make clean cuts. Enjoy the process. She's a wolf girl, but there are so many cool monsters you can pick for your paper dolls. For making holes in the paper, ask an adult for help. You can use a hole punch. Be very careful. Join the hands and legs to the body with thread, paper, or paper fasteners. I'll say it one more time. Paper fasteners. Have fun gluing on the clothes, hair, and accessories for your paper dolls. This is the final result. It's super fun to put together, and it comes with lots of accessories to play with. You can mix and match to create your own unique looks. Have fun and have a lovely day.